With my magnetic bolt, I can also build a motor. Take a stick, screw 2 bolts into it, then roll the wire around both bolts. Secure the bolts above and below the stick with a piece of tape and put some aluminium foil on the wires. Now comes the trick. Take 2 magnets. They attract and repel each other. Place these on a wooden holder. Slide the stick into the holder. Now take a battery with wires and hold it against the pieces of foil. Yes, look! It turns! I've made an electric motor. As the electrical current starts to flow, the bolts become magnetic. They are repelled by the magnets in the holder. As it turns, the aluminium pieces are also reversed. You get a magnet again that also gets repelled. It keeps on going. This is how you use electricity to make things move. A train is powered by 6 electric motors. They sit hidden somewhere underneath the train. They remove them often for a checkup. There's more than 300 meters of copper wire inside. As the electricity flows through, it creates strong magnetic forces. That causes the motor to turn more than 3,000 revolutions per minute. Enough to drive the train over 130 kilometers an hour.